Virat Kohli's journey from a promising young talent to one of the greatest cricketers of the modern era is a tale of relentless hard work, unparalleled passion, and a constant drive to excel. Here's a detailed analysis of his background, illustrious career, and his thoughts on retirement. Early days and rise to prominence. Born on November 5, 1988, in Delhi, Virat Kohli's cricketing journey began at a tender age. His talent was evident early on, and it was his father who supported his ambition to become a professional cricketer. Kohli's first significant breakthrough came when he led India to victory in the Under-19 World Cup in Kuala Lumpur in 2008. This victory not only showcased his leadership qualities, but also his ability to perform on the big stage. Transition to international cricket. Kohli made his ODI debut for India against Sri Lanka in August 2008. Despite the presence of established stars, he made his mark with some commendable knocks, which helped him cement his place in the team. His Test debut came 3 years later, in June 2011 against the West Indies. Over the years, Kohli has amassed impressive stats across all formats, with a batting average that places him among the best in the world. Captaincy and records. Kohli took over the captaincy reins in Test cricket in 2014 and in limited overs formats in 2017. Under his leadership, India achieved new heights, including their first ever Test series win in Australia. He has numerous records to his name, including the fastest to reach 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, and 11,000 runs in ODIs. Fitness and influence. Kohli is widely credited for changing the fitness culture in Indian cricket. His dedication to fitness and diet has set new standards for upcoming cricketers. His influence extends beyond the cricket field, as he has been a role model for millions of fans worldwide. Retirement plans. Recently, Kohli has hinted at his retirement plans. Known for his straightforward approach, he has expressed his desire to retire without any regrets. He intends to take a long break after retirement, stepping away from the limelight to reflect on his next steps. Kohli's performances remain top-notch, as seen in the ongoing IPL 2024 season, where he has been among the top run scorers. Legacy. Kohli's legacy is not just the records or the wins, but the indomitable spirit and the sheer will to succeed. He has inspired a generation to pursue their dreams with dedication and hard work. When he does decide to retire, he will leave behind a legacy that will be remembered for generations to come. Please do like, share, and subscribe our channel.